Welcome to the Zebrabuzz platform. Today, I'll guide you through the process of setting up payment methods on your e-commerce store. Before we begin, please ensure you have payment accounts ready to receive payments from your buyers. Zebrabuzz supports multiple payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Molly, manual payment, and cash on delivery. To follow along, you will need to have an active e-commerce store on Facebook Messenger or Instagram with Zebrabuzz. If you don't have a Zebrabuzz account yet, please watch the video linked in the description for guidance on setting up your account. Now, let's get started with setting up payment methods on your e-commerce store. Log into your Zebrabuzz account, then go to e-commerce store on Zebrabuzz. Navigate to the right menu section and click on Checkout Settings. This will open the Payment Integration Accounts form, where you can set up all the payment methods you wish to integrate into your online store. In this video, we are going to add PayPal Payment Gateway. To add PayPal, enter your PayPal business account email in the designated field. If you want to test the PayPal payment process, make sure to enable the sandbox mode. After entering your PayPal details, scroll down and turn on the PayPal Checkout button. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Your PayPal integration is now complete. It's that simple. To see how the PayPal integration works for your customers, let us go to the store and click on Buy Now for any item. The checkout page will open where the customer can confirm the quantity and price, and then click on Proceed to Checkout. In the payment section, your customers will see the payment methods you have set up. Since we've added PayPal, it will appear here. You can follow the same steps to add other payment gateways, such as Stripe, Razorpay, or any other gateway you prefer for your e-commerce store. And that's it for today. Your e-commerce store is now ready to accept payments through multiple gateways. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and like our video.